Land, a scarce natural resource, has been regarded as a measure of wealth, status and power from time immemorial. Efficient land management leads to a nation's development. Indian agricultural economy with poor land records slowing its conversion to an industrialized economy. Historical background. Sovereign earns majority from land revenue. From the very rule of sultanates extended for more than 300 years, Jagirdar, King, Inamdar, Nawab, Subedar, Mirza, Zamindar etc. were made the intermediaries who passed on the revenue to the sovereign. Indian land records originated during the Mughal period. Diwan Todarmal attempted to reform the system for the first time during Sher Shah Suri's reign. Under the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar, Raja Todarmal, the then finance minister, transformed the land revenue collection and assessment into a systematic practice by appointing a clerk in every village. This system of maintenance by Patwari is still used in Indian subcontinent, which was improved by British and Government of India. Land records during British period. British inherited institutional form of agrarian system from the Mughals. British rationalized levy and collection of land revenue from landholders by conducting cadastral surveys to determine village boundaries. Summary settlements. Settlements had threefold objects. Firstly, assess land revenue. Secondly, decide who shall pay the sum assessed. Thirdly, frame record of rights including rights of proprietor, lessee, mortgage, tenants etc. of each parcel of land. The maps prepared by young officers were done in haste, having inaccurate measurements causing incorrect summary settlements. The first Land Revenue Act was passed in 1871, followed by the second Land Revenue Act of 1887. Regular settlements. First regular settlement was under the Land Revenue Act of 1887. During the fifth phase of settlements from 1902 onwards, complete remeasurement was done to correct old field maps known as the Bandobast of 1909-10. Status of Haryana land records. Haryana's land record is as old as Mughal and British period. Last land settlement was held in 1909 and 10 in joint Punjab during British period. Haryana during separation from Punjab in 1966 had 7 districts. Its land area is 44,212 square kilometers. Now there are 21 districts and 7,085 villages. After independence, land consolidation was done from 1952 to 1964 in joint Punjab. Land was divided into uniform grids of acres. Each acre is called a kila, having a dimension of 40 karam into 36 karam and each karam equal to 5.5 feet. Lowest land measured is karam. Kila grid of 25 acres is called a murabba. One Musavi contains 16 murabbas, that is 400 acres of land. Musavi is the basic map of identification and location of ownership of land and prepared as per village area. Whole village area was shown in Shajara map called cadastral map. Land ownership transfer details in Michel Hakiyat book and field books were prepared. Mutation is a legal proof of change in any rights in the holdings occurred after preparation of last. Jamabandi or supporting documents of land ownership, National Informatics Center has entered records of rights, that is ROR data in Haryana Land Record Information System. Musavis remain updated for 50 to 60 years. Owner has changed, land accounts are joints and only share of land is registered as land ownership, thus creating disputes. About Harsac. The organization Harsac Haryana Space Application Centre is working as a nodal agency of Haryana State for geospatial application. Harsac achievements: 135 projects completed, 25 ongoing projects, National Land Record Modernization Program being one of them. Land Revenue Department of Haryana outsourced Nlrmp project to Harsac as a nodal agency. In 2007, prior to Nlrmp, Harsac did it for one village as a pilot project. With success, it was extended for whole of Hisar district. Central government highly appreciated Harsac for the work. Objective: Indian government launched the project to modernize land records, minimize disputes and enhance transparency in land records maintenance system. Land records having